Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 96, and in this tutorial we will model this part. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD part modeling. So I will close this file and create a new file and show you from the scratch. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and first thing which I will do, I will insert a body, and then first thing which we will do, we will create this circular profile, and for this we will on our plane and select this right plane and click on the sketch, and we will off our origin plane. And now we will create a simple rectangle which will have the length of 86 mm and dimension, which is a radius of 14 mm, because here diameter is of 28. And now I will move the dimensions and exit from the sketch. Go to the task and close it. And now we will select the sketch and click on this revolve icon, and here it took the Z axis, so we will select Y axis and click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and we will again on our origin plane, and now we will select this mid plane YZ and click on our sketch. Now go to the model tab and click on toggle visibility, and now we will switch to the wireframe view from here, and we will project this edge. And now we will select the polyline tool and create a rough profile. So this is the rough profile, and we will add the constraint. We will select this and this and add the parallel constraint, select this and add the perpendicular constraint, and this is of 6 mm. So we will add the symmetricity constraint here. So we will select the symmetricity, select this point and this axis, and now we will give the vertical dimension of 6 mm and move it. Select this line and give the horizontal dimension of 46, and I will move it, and this is of 48. So we will select this line and click on dimension and give the dimension 48. Move it. Yes. And now we will select this line and click on the dimension, and this is of a 6. We can also add the equal constraint by selecting this line and this line. And now we will go with angular constraint, select this and this, and provide the angular constraint of 160. So our sketch is fully constrained, and we will come out of the sketch. So here is a leave sketch icon. You can also click on this and press V7 for the shaded view and press 0 for isometric. Go to the model tab and select the sketch, and here extrusion is of 27.35. so click on extrude, and from here select the symmetric and give it 27.35. click on OK. Now we will add this plate here. So we will again on our origin plane and select this mid plane and click on the sketch of the plane. And now first thing which we will do is to project this edge, and we will switch to the wireframe for better visibility. And now we will create an equal line to the our projected line, and now we will select this polyline tool and create rectangle. And now we will select this and add the parallel constraint, similarly this and this, and add the parallel constraint. And now we will select this line and click on the dimension, and this is of the 14 mm. Select this and add the perpendicular constraint. So our sketch is fully constrained, and this is of a thickness of 6 mm. So we will come out of the sketch, press V7. Now select the sketch, click on extrude, and this is of a 6 mm. So give the value 6 and click here on symmetric plane, click on OK. Now here is a 2 radius of R4. So we will press Ctrl and select this 2 radius and click on the fillet and provide the value of 4 mm. Click on OK. Now here is a radius of 7 mm. So we will select this edge and this edge by pressing the Control key and click on the fillet and provide the here value of 7 mm. Click on OK. Now we will provide the fillet of R3 at the top and the bottom. So select this edge and press Control key and select this bottom edge and click on the fillet and provide the here value of 3 mm. Now press 0 for isometric view. Now we will create this hole. So it is a diameter of 28. So we will on our plane and select this plane, and if we wanted to insert the tangent plane, then we will create a plane at a distance of 14 mm. So select the top plane and click on the datum plane, and in a Z direction provide the 14 mm. So now if we see from the rear view, so we have the tangent plane. Now click on OK. Press 0 for isometric and off the origin plane and click on rebuild. Now we will select this plane and we will create a drill hole of diameter 8 and click on the sketch, and here we have the axis, and now we will click on the circle and create a circle and provide it a diameter constraint of 8 mm. And now we will off the datum plane and we will project this edge and select the vertical dimension, select this point and this point, and provide the value of a 40 degree. Now exit from the sketch, select sketch and click on extrude cut, and from here say through all, say OK. Now we will again on our datum plane and select the datum plane and click on the sketch, select sketch and we will off the datum plane, and now we will again project this geometry, and this time we will create a diameter 16 circle. So we will create a circle and provide it a diameter 16 and select the vertical and provide it 43. Exit from the sketch. Now depth of this 16 mm diameter is of 6 mm. So we will select the sketch and click on the extrude and provide here the 6 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create our last feature, which is this hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will click on the project geometry, select these two and click on the circle, create a circle and provide it a diameter of 5 mm and select dimension, select this point and this point, this line, and provide it a dimension of a 20 and select this point and this line and provide the dimension of 7 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. So we have successfully made this model in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. Now we will select it and go to the appearances and select the shape color, and we will provide approximate color. Now I will move it and I will give the approximate color. So you can see that we have successfully made this part in FreeCAD, and this tutorial is for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.